Ever heard of them? A scorpion wants to cross a river, but he can't swim. Goes to a frog who can and asks for a ride. Frog says, I'll give you a ride on my back. You'll go and sting me. Scorpion replies, it would not be in my interest to sting you, since as I'll be on your back, we both would drown. Frog thinks about his logic for a while and accepts the deal. Takes the scorpion on his back, braves the waters, halfway over feels a burning spear in his side, and realizes the scorpion has stung him after all. And as they both sink beneath the waves, a frog cries out, why did you sting me, Mr. Scorpion? For now we both will drown. Scorpion replies, I can't help it. It's in my nature.
So what's that supposed to mean?
Means what it says. A scorpion does what is in its nature.